Hi guys, welcome to Babuji Academy from ALIZAI group of channels. Guys, again today I am with a new video and a new topic. Our today topic is water pollution. And today video lecture we will study that what is water pollution, what are the effects of water pollution, what are the causes of water pollution, and how can we control water pollution. So let me start. Water pollution is the contamination of water bodies due to anthropogenic sources. So what is water pollution? The contamination of water bodies. Water bodies mean lakes, river, ocean, etc. due to anthropogenic sources. Anthropogenic sources mean that man-made sources due to human. Water pollution results when contaminants are introduced into the natural environment. Water pollution has an adverse effect on the biotic component of our environment. Now, what are the effects of water pollution? Water pollution causes death to aquatic animals, it disrupts food chain, destroys ecosystem, and causes diseases in humans like cholera, etc. Now, what are the causes of water pollution? The causes of water pollution is chemicals and pathogens. Pathogens are disease-causing agents, organic and inorganic waste, thermal pollution, household waste, overconsumption with less care, and overpopulation, etc. All are the causes of water pollution. Now, how can we control water pollution or how can we prevent water pollution? So, promoting awareness among people and stopping the mentioned above causes of water pollution can be helpful in stopping water pollution. Okay guys, let me summarize today's class. We studied that water pollution is the contamination of water bodies due to man-made sources, human sources or anthropogenic sources. Now what are the effects of water pollution? Water pollution has an adverse effect on biotic component of our environment. Biotic component is the living component of our environment. Water pollution also causes deaths to aquatic animals, disrupt food chain, destroy ecosystem, and causes different diseases in humans. Causes of water pollution are chemical and pathogens, organic and inorganic waste, thermal pollution, household waste, overconsumption with less care, and overpopulation, etc. All are the causes of water pollution. Now, how can we prevent water pollution? So, promoting awareness and stopping the mentioned causes of water pollution can be helpful in avoiding water pollution. But remember that use less and save more. Guys, it was our today video about water pollution. That what is water pollution? What are the effects of water pollution? What are the causes of water pollution and how can we control it? Guys, if you like my video, then press the like, share and subscribe button and also tell me below in the comment box that how was today's video.